Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. I'm going to take you through biology and the topic is classification 2 as indicated here. In classification 2, the first subtopic that we shall start with is the 5 kingdoms of taxonomy. So we look at the 5 kingdoms of taxonomy, and here is a list of the 5 kingdoms. Number 1, we have kingdom Monera. In kingdom Monera, here we have mainly the bacteria. Then number 2, we have kingdom Protista. Here we have protozoa and algae. Protozoa and algae. We shall look at the details about each of the kingdoms. Number 3, we have kingdom fungi. Here we have basically the different examples of fungi. Then we have kingdom Plantae, where we have plants. And then lastly, number 5, we have kingdom Animalia. Here we have animals. So those are the 5 kingdoms of taxonomy.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.